legacy resounds. Faith in our steps, character our guide. In service and love, we walk side by side. Gold for the years, blue for the skies. Hope in our hands and light in our eyes. Gathered as one with stories to tell. PCU's flame, we carry it well. Resilient hearts, we rise together through every storm in any weather. Committed to serve, to learn, to lead. Planting tomorrow with every seed. PCU, our song, our pride. 79 years, strong by your side. Town halls call and the voices soar. President's hour opens every door. Campus alive with the orange and gold. Moments of courage, quiet and bold. Faith, character, service in tune. Lighting the path from morning to noon. Hands clasped tight as the years unfold. Stories of love in letters of gold. Resilient hearts, we rise together through every storm in any weather. Committed to serve, to learn, to lead. Planting tomorrow with every seed. PCU, our song, our pride. 79 years, strong by your side. From yesterday's dreams to futures we make. Transforming minds with every step we take. Shaping the future, steadfast and true. Lift every voice. PCU, we're with you. Resilient hearts, we rise together through every storm in any weather. Committed to serve, to learn, to lead. Planting tomorrow with every seed. PCU, forever will abide. 79 years, strong by your side. PCU, our vow. Faith, character, service, our guide. PCU, we celebrate now. PCU, we celebrate.